Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and I'm on the social team here at JPMS, and today I'm going to show you all how I got these 90s inspired big pretty curls using my 3-in-1 curling wand. So of course I always have to start off with a heat protectant, so I'm going to give myself a spritz spray, and then I'm just going to brush through my hair using my Paul Mitchell paddle brush. And then I'm just going to section off my hair so that I'm able to curl my hair in small sections so that I ensure that I get every single strand. And then after I section off my hair, I'm just going to take a very small piece and then wrap that around the barrel, hold it for 10 seconds, and then I will release the hair into my hand so that it cools off for an additional 10 seconds, and then I will release. And then you see I'm just going to continue that same method until I cover my entire head. And as you see, these curls are going to be a lot tighter, being that the barrel is a lot smaller. So as I mentioned previously, I am using the 3-in-1 ceramic curling wand, and this tool allows you to go from loose waves to curls to ringlets. And today I am using the smallest size barrel, which will create really pretty small ringlet style curls. So this tool is engineered with far infrared technology and supercharged negative ions that heat hair gently and quickly from the inside out for smooth, hydrated curls with incredible shine and staying power. So now it's time to curl my bangs, and as many of you may already know, I like to curl my bangs toward my face, and this has to do with the fact that I just like the way that it frames my face. So regardless of the size of the barrel, I still will always curl my bangs toward my face. And voila, now you have a head full of ringlet style curls. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles. It is 90s inspired, which is so on trend right now. So I will be rocking this throughout the rest of summer and probably throughout fall as well. But of course I have to finish it off with my Neuro finishing spray. So this is just going to help lock in my style to last all day long. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check back every week for new videos. Bye guys!